We got one more reason for you to grab your RV and head down to Paso Robles, California. Here at Sun Outdoors Wine Country RV Resort, we have a privilege to serve you cheese, charcuterie, butter, caviar, and other gourmet essentials from our vending machine. Enjoy sun, pool, beautiful weather, accompanied with gourmet snacks showcasing local producers like Alapi Salumi, Stepladder Creamery, Central Coast Creamery, Point Reyes, Fiscalini, Beehive, as well as some international staples like salted French butter from Isigny, Styria Black Caviar, Torres Chips, and other essential things. So don't wait, grab your family, kids, dogs, and everyone else and head down.